Hi guys, today I've got my new iPad. It comes today by DHL from Apple. This is the iPad itself. Really nice colour. Space grey. It's the iPad Pro 3rd generation, 12.9 inch, Cellular model, 512. That's what I went for. I'm unboxing it for you now. As you can see, there's no home button. There's a Face ID camera at the top. There's 2 speaker grills at the top, and also at the bottom where the USB-C port is. Also, there's no headphone jack, so you have to get an adapter for it to use your old headphones. You've got the Apple, designed by Apple in California. This says about how to use the iPad Pro. You've got things you need to know about. Got the SIM eject tool. You got the 18-watt USB-C charger. You got USB-C to USB-C cable because it's the USB-C iPad. Right. This is what the cable looks like. And everything's out the box. So I've just got the cable on the floor. At least that's not the iPad. Now for the unboxing of the iPad case. This case cost about £5 on eBay, all the way from China. A little bit dirty, but it didn't matter. The iPad goes in like that. Be careful not to bend it. The iPad case is almost in. It's tight fit, but but it'll do the job so it can get bent and smashed. This is what the case looks like with the iPad in. I'm going to try and turn it on to see if it's got any power in it, which is the top button. Looks like I must have to charge it first. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more unboxings and more how-to videos from JonnyIT Man, and bye for now.